Hi, this is Anna, and we're continuing our tutorial series on decorating the basic low-cut baby sneakers. In this video, I'll show you a Nike-inspired version. I'll share two options, one with a crocheted logo, then the quicker version with a felt cut-out logo. Both are simple, and you can choose the one you like more. Option 1. You can draw the Nike swoosh yourself or trace a template you downloaded online onto a small piece of polyester felt. I also include the swoosh template in the right size in my PDF if you'd like to use that. Carefully cut it out and place it on the sneaker to check the size. Then glue it onto the side of the bootie on both sides. I will leave links to the polyester felt and textile glue down below under the video. Option 2. Here we crochet the Nike swooshes using the same yarn we used for the sneakers. You'll need just 4 pieces, 2 right swooshes and 2 left ones. They're slightly different, so I'll show you how to crochet each one step by step. Let's begin. Make a slip knot and 16 chains. Now we work the first row. Make 1 slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then crochet 1 single crochet. Next, make a decrease with 3 unfinished double crochets. Start 1 unfinished double crochet and leave the loop on the hook. Make the second one, then the third one. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Next, crochet 2 half double crochets. Then, make 8 single crochets. Then, make 3 chains. Cut the yarn. Weave in the yarn ends. Trim the remaining yarn ends and crochet the second swoosh the same way as the first one. Now we move on to the right swoosh. Make a slip knot and 18 chains. Let's work the first row. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make one slip stitch. Make one more slip stitch. Next, crochet 8 single crochets. Then 2 half double crochets. Now make a decrease with 3 double crochets. Start the first unfinished double crochet, leaving the loop on the hook. Make the second one. Then the third one. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then crochet 1 single crochet. Then into the last stitch, make 1 slip stitch. Cut the working yarn. Weave in the yarn ends the same way we did for the left swoosh. Then don't forget to crochet the second piece, repeating this one exactly. Once all 4 pieces are ready, we move on to the most magical part, decorating. Using textile glue. I'll leave the link in the description below. Carefully apply a thin layer of glue to the swoosh. For each sneaker, you'll attach 1 left swoosh and 1 right swoosh. The most important thing is that the front side of all swooshes faces the same way. Take your time and gently place the swoosh onto the side of the bootie. I'll show the original sneaker at the top of the screen for inspiration. Let it dry, then attach the second swoosh to the other side, trying to keep everything as symmetrical as possible. And remember, this is handmade, which means every pair is already unique. Always keep in mind who you're making this for, and enjoy the process with a calm, positive feeling. Take a moment to look at the details. Every handmade pair has its own little character. If you enjoyed this version, let me know in the comments. And if you think someone would love making these too, feel free to share this video with them. Before we finish, if you enjoy calm crochet tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. I also have free tutorials for all of these baby sneaker styles, the basic model, Vans inspired, and Nike inspired. And if you prefer everything written out step by step, you can find my PDF pattern linked below. All the links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.